In this final video on expanding free brackets, we're going to do two different expansions. So we've got the 5 plus 2x cubed, and we've got the 5x plus 3 squared. And then we're just going to simplify it by collecting like terms. Now let's just think when something is cubed, what it means. If, for example, I had 2 cubed, that just means 2 times 2 times 2. 3 2's multiplied together. So the 5 plus 2x all cubed means 5 plus 2x multiplied by 5 plus 2x multiplied by 5 plus 2x. Remember, when we have brackets next to each other in algebra, it means we're multiplying them together. And then the 5x plus 3 squared just means 5x plus 3 multiplied by itself like that. So we've got to expand out all these brackets and then simplify. Now, remember how we expand out free brackets? We just do 2 brackets at a time. So we can either do the first bracket times the second bracket and then multiply that by the third bracket. Or, and this is what I prefer, I do the second bracket times the third bracket and then multiply that by the first bracket. So I'm going to leave the 5 plus 2x at the front as it is and multiply out the second and the third bracket. So I'm just going to do this a bit more quickly. I'm going to do each term in the first bracket times each term in the second. So we're going to do the 5 times the 5, which is 25. We're going to do the 5 times the 2x, which is 10x. And then we're going to do that second term in the first bracket, multiplied by each in the second. So we're going to do 2x times 5, which is 10x. And then we're going to do 2x times 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. X times x is x squared. So it's plus 4x squared. And then we're going to do the same with the brackets on the right. So we've got 5x times 5x, which is 25x squared. We've got the 5x times the 3, which is 15x. But we're going to get another 15x here, which is 30x. And then we've also got this 3 times 3 here, which is 9. And now, we've still got brackets here we need to expand, but I'm actually going to simplify a bit first. So we're going to tidy up in that second bracket. I can see that we've got 10 lots of x plus 10 lots of x, which is 20 lots of x. And we've still got that x squared term. And then I'm just going to copy this here. And now I'm going to expand out these 2 brackets here. So I'm going to do each term in the first bracket times each term in the second. So we're going to do the 5 times the 25, 5 times the 20x, and the 5 times the 4x squared. So 5 times 25 is 125. 5 times 20x is 100x. And 5 times 4x squared is 20x squared. And now we're going to do the second thing in the first bracket times by each thing in the second. So we're going to do 2x times 25, 2x times 20x, and 2x times 4x squared. So 2x times 25 is plus 50x. Then we've got 2x times 20x, which is plus 40x squared. And we've got 2x times 4x squared, which is 8x cubed. And we still got that plus 25x squared plus 30x plus 9 on the end. And now we've got rid of all the brackets, we just need to collect like terms. So I'm going to do it in descending powers of x. I'm going to start with the x cubed term. So I can see that is the only x cubed term I have. So we just got 8x cubed. Now what about the x squared terms? Well, we've got 20 lots of x squared plus 40 lots of x squared plus 25 lots of x squared, which is 85 lots of x squared. What about the x terms? I can see we've got 100 lot of x plus 50 lots of x plus 30 lots of x, which is 180 lots of x. And then finally, we've got the constant terms. I can see that we've got the 125 plus the 9, which is plus 134. And that is the final expanded and simplified expression. We are done.